gut syndrome can lead to many other ailments that you may not think are related. So today I'm going to talk about the diseases that are linked to leaky gut syndrome. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, best-selling author and naturopathic doctor. So here are some of the diseases that are linked to leaky gut syndrome. So at the top of the list, rheumatoid arthritis. So if you have been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, quite likely this is actually started and manifested from what's happening in the gut. And because it's autoimmune, this is where the leaky gut syndrome, and something that I explained in another video all about leaky gut as to how this is actually happening in the gut and why the immune system becomes that autoimmune disorder. As well as lupus, which is also autoimmune. And for someone who is suffering through lupus, the good news is that, if we're able to heal the gut, that we are able then to have a positive impact on that autoimmune disorder as well. Crohn's disease and celiac disease. So of course, inflammatory reactions in the gut itself are related to that leaky gut syndrome, as well as thyroid disorders. So whether it's Hashimoto's or Graves' disease, again, it starts in the gut with that leaky gut syndrome. And this is why it's important to always take care of that leaky gut syndrome when we're trying to reverse some of these conditions. Autism as well has been linked to leaky gut syndrome and what's happening with the digestive tract and those tight junctions, as well as Alzheimer's disease. So as we're aging, again, it's so important to take care of our leaky guts. Why? Well, in this research, it shows that the correlation between the gut microbiota and Alzheimer's disease is definitely there. And taking care of our brain and that blood-brain barrier, it's important to also be taking care of our gut at the same time. So as much as, there's a lot of diseases that are related to the leaky gut syndrome, again, the good news is that it is possible to heal from within and taking care of that leaky gut. And check out, if you want to know how to do that, make sure you check out my other episode all about healing the leaky gut and what you can do to heal your leaky gut. So if this video helped you, or you know someone that it will help, please share the information by sharing this video with your friends and family. Please give me a big thumbs up if you learned something new. And also, if you're new here, please be sure that you're subscribed and you turn on your notifications by clicking that bell. And remember to always take care of your good health and to do it naturally. Thanks for joining me today.